Welcome to our Stockfish tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to enhance your chess skills using Stockfish on chess.com. To begin, navigate to chess.com and create your account. This is essential for using Stockfish effectively. Once logged in, head to the analysis board. This is where the magic happens. As Stockfish analyzes, watch for insightful suggestions on moves and strategies. Now, utilize these insights to adjust your strategy in real time. Learn as you play. Use the analysis tool post-game. Review your performance with Stockfish's detailed reports. Explore different game modes. Try puzzles or play against Stockfish directly to challenge yourself. Consistent practice is key. Set aside time each week to play and analyze. Finally, participate in online chess tournaments. Use Stockfish to refine your strategies before taking on live opponents. Always review your matches with Stockfish to pinpoint areas for improvement. Thank you for joining our tutorial. Start using Stockfish today and elevate your chess game.